Want to increase your YouTube ad revenue with literally 1 or 2 clicks and almost no extra work on your part? Stay with me in this video because this simple yet powerful setting change can dramatically boost your earnings faster than almost any other strategy on the entire platform right now. Imagine waking up to see your revenue reports showing significantly higher numbers without creating new videos, without changing your editing style, and without spending hours on SEO tweaks. That is exactly what we are diving deep into today. By default, YouTube automatically blocks certain high-paying ad categories including alcohol, gambling, and betting for most channels. These categories are labeled as sensitive, but when you choose to unblock them, you suddenly open the floodgates to advertisers who are willing to pay a lot more money to reach viewers. Many creators across different niches have reported their RPM jumping anywhere from 30% all the way up to 100% or even higher after making this single adjustment. In this comprehensive guide, I am going to walk you through every single detail step by step so you can implement this immediately and start seeing real results from your existing videos. By the end of this video, you will have a complete understanding of how to maximize your ad revenue like a professional YouTuber. Let us begin with a full explanation of why this setting is so effective. Alcohol, gambling, and betting advertisements usually come with much higher CPM rates and RPM payouts because the companies in those industries operate with large marketing budgets. They compete aggressively in auctions for ad space, which drives up the price that YouTube pays creators like you and me. YouTube themselves officially acknowledge that opting into these sensitive categories is voluntary and can help increase your overall revenue potential. It is not something they force on anyone, and you always retain full control to reverse the change if it does not fit your channel. This approach is particularly valuable in the current YouTube landscape where competition for ad views is fiercer than ever and many creators are struggling to maintain consistent earnings. When you keep these categories blocked, you are essentially limiting the pool of potential advertisers who can bid on your content. That means fewer bids during ad auctions, which directly translates to lower earnings per 1,000 views. On the other hand, enabling them expands your opportunities significantly. Now let me explain the exact process in thorough detail so there is zero confusion. This setting is unfortunately not available inside the regular YouTube Studio mobile app on your phone, which is a limitation many creators run into. So if you are watching this on your smartphone right now, here is the easy workaround that takes less than 30 seconds. Open your Chrome browser or any other mobile browser app, type in studio.youtube.com, and once the page loads, tap the 3 dots menu in the top right corner and select the desktop site option. This switches you to the full computer version of YouTube Studio, giving you access to all the advanced settings. Once you are in, navigate to the left sidebar and click on the hamburger menu located at the top left corner. From there, you will need to access settings at the bottom left. Open the settings and look carefully for the section labeled Ad Categories. Under here, you will see sensitive categories. Inside this menu, you will find a list of options including alcohol, gambling, dating, pharmaceuticals, and several others. By default, most creators have these toggled to blocked. Your task is simple. Switch alcohol and especially gambling to the allowed or unblocked position. Make sure to hit the Save Changes button at the bottom. Now if you're on PC, open YouTube Studio by going to studio.youtube.com and sign in with your channel account. Once you're inside, look at the left sidebar and click on Settings at the bottom where the gear icon is. In the Settings page, click on Ad Categories. Then at the top, switch to the Sensitive Categories tab. Here you will see a list of sensitive ad categories. By default, most of them are blocked. Find alcohol and gambling or betting, and simply toggle them from blocked to allowed. Once you're done, make sure to click the Save button at the bottom of the page. The changes usually take between 24 to 48 hours, after which the new ad categories will begin appearing on your videos where appropriate. It is important to understand that results can vary based on several key factors. Your audience geography plays a huge role. If the majority of your viewers come from high-value countries such as the United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, Germany, or other parts of Europe, you are likely to see the strongest revenue increases because those markets have active advertisers in alcohol and gambling sectors. Conversely, if your audience is primarily in regions with strict advertising regulations or lower advertiser demand, the boost might be more modest, perhaps in the 15 to 25% range, but it is still worthwhile free money. Niche also matters tremendously. Channels focused on gaming, finance, sports commentary, reaction videos, lifestyle vlogs, and tech reviews tend to benefit the most because their content aligns better with the brand safety guidelines for these higher-paying ads. Family-oriented channels or those targeting younger demographics might see fewer of these ads displayed due to YouTube's protective algorithms, but enabling the categories still gives the system more options to work with. There are also important warnings and best practices to keep in mind. Enabling alcohol and gambling ads does not guarantee they will show up on every upload. YouTube maintains strict brand safety filters, so videos with controversial topics, strong language, or sensitive themes might still only receive standard ads. If your personal brand or audience strongly opposes these industries, it is perfectly reasonable to leave the categories blocked. Many successful creators prioritize their values and community trust over maximum short-term profits. Monitor your channel feedback closely after the change. If you notice any negative comments or shifts in audience engagement, you can always revert the settings instantly. Test on a small batch of videos first if you feel uncertain. Expanding further, consider how this strategy evolves with YouTube's frequent updates. Sensitive category options were more hidden in the past but have become slightly easier to find while still requiring the desktop view. Stay informed by checking official YouTube creator resources periodically. Experiment responsibly and document your own results so you can refine your approach over time. Some creators even create content series around their revenue experiments, which ironically helps grow their channels further. The key takeaway is that small setting changes like this one compound over time. Implementing these powerful, high-yield monetization adjustments is truly only the first step in unlocking the complete, uncompromised earning potential of your creative brand. If this video amazed you with its practical and straightforward advice that can genuinely move the needle on your earnings, then you are going to love the next 2 videos I have prepared for you on the end screen. One of them is positioned on the left side of your screen right now, and it dives deep into 10 ways to grow your YouTube channel. That can help your videos get pushed harder by the YouTube algorithm. The other video is on the right side of the screen, covering the big question, is YouTube promotion really worth it? Ring the notification bell right now so you never miss any future uploads where I share more insider tips like these. Your support through likes, comments, and subscriptions helps me continue making free content that actually helps real creators. Drop your current RPM in the comments below or let me know if you already had those categories enabled or blocked before watching.